Hey, what's up everybody? I'm sitting here in my garage. I'm here in my garage because I'm packing for camera camp, and I thought maybe this would be a fun video to kind of show everybody what it is that I like to bring to camp because, you know, gear is awesome. Everybody loves gear. I guess let's just jump into it, shall we? So first up, I think, is gonna be my bag. I like to use, for anything outdoorsy, this is my Osprey Atmos 50 liter. This is I wanna say this is about 2-3 years old. I don't like this version as much as the last version before that. They really messed around with the straps on this bag, and it's just not as comfortable. It does breathe better, but I'd rather have better comfort. I will say that this is a very, very comfortable bag for the most part when you're schlepping up gear like I used to be with, you know, 3-4 ropes, a full rack, doing guiding trips for climbing. This was an awesome bag for that. So I do really like this bag to fit everything in. For my sleeping arrangements, I gotta go with, this is the Sierra Designs 32-degree down bag. It's actually, it's an interesting sleeping bag because it has like a built-in quilt. So if you're a stomach sleeper like me, this thing's very comfortable. And when you compress it down, it's very, very tiny and very packable. So I like that. Pro tip, never store your down sleeping bag in the compression sack. That's why they come with these mesh bags. Compressing it for too long will destroy the down and it'll never loft the same again. Along with that, I have my Thermarest compressible pillow. This thing is great. It compresses down very small and it's just, it works. It's not the best, but when you're camping and you need to stay lightweight, this is good to have. What I will be sleeping in is gonna be the Black Diamond Mesa 2-person tent. This is a 3-season tent. If you know anything about my opinions on this tent, my thoughts on this tent are best summed up as, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. I hate this tent. It's awful, but I got it for really cheap when I used to work with BD, so that's why I have it. For cooking, I'm gonna be using my Jetboil Minimo. This is by far my favorite camp stove. It is a little bit shorter and wider than the typical Jetboil. I actually prefer that. I think it's easier to cook with this guy. Plus the stove, the burner itself is regulated, which means you can go all the way from simmer to full crank. If you've used like the Jetboil Zip or the Jetboil Flash, you'll know that those have 2 settings. It's off and jet engine. And it's really hard to cook anything other than water for freeze-dried meals. This, you can brown meat, you can saute vegetables, you can do whatever you want because the burner, basically like having like your own home stove. It's a fantastic stove and I like that. And then this is my car camping kit. This just has like bowls and silverware and plates and all the stuff that I need to cook with. Let's take a look and see if there's anything I'm forgetting specifically for camera camp, shall we? Welcome to camera camp, this is gonna be fun, blah, 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 blah. There will be no actual camping at camera camp, LOL. Son of a Okay, so I'm here packing for camera camp. What do I need? I guess like a t-shirt, jeans, underwear. What am I missing? I know I'm missing something. Oh, yeah. Gotta have this. Okay, well, I'm done packing for camera camp. I'm really excited to see everybody there. I think this is gonna be a ton of fun. I hope for a lot of great photo and video opportunities and just meeting super cool people. I'm excited to be a part of it, and I'm very honored that I was picked. So yeah, I guess next video, I'll see you guys at camera camp. Cool. Yeah, I'm just gonna go get some work done.